Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Blender 3. X and the video sequence editor add-on enabled. Connect your footage so importing is fast. Place clips in a single project folder for consistency. Once done, open Blender, switch to Video Editing Workspace, and import clips with AddMovie. Make sure to set project frame rate to match your footage to avoid drift. You do this now because matching settings prevents sync issues later. This saves time when you begin cuts and transitions. You layer and trim clips in the VSE timeline, trimming with K and dragging edges for precision. Once tracks are aligned, add blends via Add Effect Strip and choose Crossfade or Alpha Over. These create smooth transitions and preserve motion. Make sure to tweak opacity and placement so the blend reads correctly. Lower opacity for subtle overlays, full for hard cuts. If you need keyframing, insert keyframes on strip opacity or transform to animate the blend over time. This gives controlled, professional results. You finalize by configuring output settings, container, codec, resolution, and frame rate, and choose a temp render to verify quality. Once checked, render the final video using render animation. Make sure to monitor export logs for dropped frames or codec errors. If audio drift or missync appears, realign audio strips with precise offsets or re-encode audio to match frame rate. This corrects timing issues. A key troubleshooting tip: clear cache and reopen Blender if play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.